Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to buy an eSIM for Andorra. So this is a very simple thing to do and you can easily purchase the eSIM using the eSIM application and website, which you can find down in the description below this video. You can go ahead and open up the first link in the description and it's going to take you to this eSIM page right here from where we can get started. So it's going to look like this. Doesn't matter if you're using your mobile phone or PC, the process is going to go exactly the same. You're going to have this option to see unlimited plans and fixed plans. So once you have opened up that link in the description, it's going to take you to this home page where you can see all the plans offered to you. And your best option is always the unlimited plans. You never know how much data you are going to go and be using on your vacation, so it's always best to use the unlimited plans as they're similar in price to some of the lower priced fixed plans. So it's always the best option to select them right here. So you can select 30 days, 15 days, however much you need. So once you've done that, you can click the checkout page. On the checkout page, you can go ahead and select if you want any more deals. If not, click skip for now and it's going to take you to this page from where we can get started choosing a payment method. So by clicking choosing payment method, you can see all the payment methods available right here. Choose whichever one suits you the most, such as with card, Apple Pay, PayPal, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here. And once you make the purchase successfully, now we can get started with installing it. So doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android device, the installation process is going to go roughly the same. You have the instructions right here that you can go ahead and also find in the description. So basically it's going to show us step by step on how to install it in 4 easy steps. First step is adding the eSIM via fast installation. So as you can see, you can go to the eSIM page and click tap install eSIM to go ahead and add it to your phone. After that, you can go and select how you want to install it. You want to tap the add cellular option, cellular plan, and then follow the on-screen instructions. So once you start using the plan immediately, you can choose newly added eSIM as your mobile data and select primary as your default line to go ahead and recognize which is which, and just like this you can get started with installing it. The second option is installing the eSIM by scanning the QR code. It's going to go ahead exactly the same just by scanning the QR code, and you can also find the instructions right here for yourself. You can also do this on Android. The process is roughly the same. You're going to go adding the eSIM automatically. You can go into the instructions and the settings from where you can get started installing the eSIM. So there you have it. That is how it's done. If you need any more help, go into the description right now to open up the link and get started with getting your eSIM today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.